under contract to supply over 1,500 track-width mine ploughs, to the Indian Ministry of Defence. The order, which will see the Pearson plough integrated with the T90S/SK tank, will be delivered in partnership with BEML Limited. With previous experience in integrating countermine capabilities with the T-72, T-90, Arjun Mk1 main battle tank and BMP-2 armoured vehicles, Pearson Engineering is proud to be a current supplier to the Indian Army. The track-width mine plough will enable the Indian Army's T-90 tanks to move through mined areas, whilst remaining highly mobile. The Tezpur Air Force Station in Assam is capable of taking on any challenge in the eastern sector of the country, its new air officer commanding Dharmendra Singh Dangi has said. Who took over the command of the Tezpur Air Force Station from Air Commodore Tejpal Singh on Wednesday said, "The Indian Air Force is growing by leaps and bounds and we are capable of taking on any challenge." Air Commodore Dangi, who was commissioned in the fighter stream of the IAF on December 19, 1992, said that he had served in Tezpur Air Force Station from 2009 to 2011 and was looking forward to work from here for the second time. Having more than 3,000 flying hours to his credit, the new AOC is a qualified instructor, a test pilot and an alumnus of National Defense Academy. During the Indian Army Day Parade, which was held on January 15, 2021, the Indian Army has presented a new upgrade of the Soviet-made ZSU-23-4 Shilka mobile air defense system based on tracked armored chassis. According to the Military Balance 2020, the Indian Army has a total of 75 ZSU-23-4 air defense vehicles. New upgraded of ZSU-23-4 Shilka 23mm self-propelled anti-aircraft gun system mounted on tracked armored. The weapons have a maximum effective range of 2,500 meters against aerial targets and can be also used against land targets. The ZSU-23-4 was upgraded in India by the company, Bharat Electronics Limited. One of the main new features is the replacement of the old RPK-2 radar with a new 3D active phased array radar mounted at the rear of the roof turret. The upgraded Shilka offers more accurate identification, acquisition, and tracking of targets while operating in an ECM, electronic countermeasure, environment. It can now engage aerial targets during day or night as well as in all weather conditions. The upgraded ZSU-23-4 Shilka also features multiple target tracking due to electronic steering in elevation, new air conditioning, user-friendly operator displays, a new engine with a drastic reduction in fuel consumption, and a new, chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear, protection system. 8 Chinese bombers and 4 fighter jets entered the southwestern corner of Taiwan's air defense identification zone, and Taiwan's Air Force deployed missiles to monitor the incursion, the island's defense ministry said. China, which claims Taiwan as its own territory, has conducted almost daily flights over the waters between the southern part of Taiwan and the Taiwan-controlled Ploughs Islands in the South China Sea in recent months. However, the flights have generally consisted of 1 or 2 reconnaissance aircraft. The presence of so many Chinese combat aircraft on this mission, Taiwan said it was made up of 8 nuclear-capable H-6K bombers and 4 J-16 fighter jets is unusual. Map provided by Taiwan's defense ministry showed that the Chinese aircraft, which also included a Y-8 anti-submarine aircraft, flew over the same waters where the most recent Chinese missions have been taking place near the Ploughs Islands, though still well away from mainland Taiwan.